Hello class 2, welcome back to maths class. Again I'm here to teach you maths. Today again we are continuing with the same chapter, chapter number 3, addition. And in the previous class we have learned how to do addition of two-digit numbers and in a like column wise, and also we have learned three two-digit number, arranging them in columns, okay, and with carrying over sums, right? So today we are here again with the topic addition of three-digit numbers, right, with carrying over. So you can see I have written one question here. So with the help of this question we will try to understand how to do addition of three-digit number with carrying over. So let us arrange these numbers. They both are three-digit number, as you can see on the board. So first we will arrange both the numbers according to their place value. The first number is 375. So 303 we will write under hundreds place, 7 under fives, tens place, and 5 under ones place. Same way we will arrange the next number also, 448, like this. Okay. Now what is the step? Now when you have learned in the previous class, when you learned about two-digit numbers, addition of two-digit numbers, then what did we do? We have first added ones place. So here also first we will add the digits which are there in the ones place. So let's write in ones place we have 5 plus 8 is equal to 30. Now here what have we learned? When we will have two-digit number, so we will always copy the ones place digit under this ones place, that is 3 we will copy, and this 110 will be carrying over to the next place value here in the tens place. Okay, so I am adding this 1 to the tens place. Now in the tens place what are the digit now? Let us write in the tens place. The digits are 1 plus 7 plus 4, and altogether 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. Here also I am getting two-digit number. Now again in two-digit number what do? We copy the ones place. Okay, under this tens place I am going to copy this ones place, and this 110 will be carrying over to the next place value, that is hundreds place. Now in hundreds place, let us see what are the digits. The digits are 1 plus 3 plus 4 equals to how much? 8. And so our answer is coming what? What is the answer? We can write in this way. The sum is, therefore the sum is what? 823. Okay, so let us count once again. First we will add ones place digits. 5 plus 8 is 13. Then in 13 we will copy ones place digit under the ones place. Then this 110 will be copied, or it will be carried to the tens place. Then in tens place what are the digits? 1 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 12. It is again two-digit number. Now again in two-digit number we will copy the ones place under the tens place, ones place digit under the tens place, and this 110 will be copied to the, or carried to the next place value, that is hundreds place value. Then in hundred place we have the digits 1 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 8. So finally the sum is what? The sum is 823. Okay. So this is how we do the the addition of three-digit number with carrying over. Okay. Now let us do the next. Let's try to understand with one more example of the same kind. So I am rubbing this. What you will be doing? You will copy this example in your CW copy. Okay. So let's take the second example. In the second example, let us try to add, say, 437 and 289. These are the two numbers. Okay, and both are 3-digit number. So again we will arrange them according to their place value in a vertical column in this way. Okay, 437 and 289. We will add. Okay, so what shall we do first? In ones place, what are the digits? The digit is 7 plus 9. When you add 7 plus 9, you will find that 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. So, again 16 is a 2-digit number. What am I going to do? I will write this ones place under the ones place, this ones place digit under the ones place, and this 110 will be carried to the tens. Now in the tens place, what are the digits? 1 plus 3 plus 8. Now 1 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to 12. We will write 12 here. Okay. Now under this 12, we will write the 2 under tens place and 1 will be carried to the next place value. That is hundreds place. In 100 place, what are the digits? 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to how much? It is equal to 7. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So, finally, therefore, the sum is 726. Okay, so this is how we do addition of 3-digit number with carry over. Now, this kind of sum you will get to see on page number 48. You see, on page number 48 you have sums without carrying over. I mean, these are without carrying over. I have taught you the questions with carrying over. So without carrying over, you don't have to it will not be very difficult for you. I will explain you without carrying over also. But on page number, look here, on page number, okay, without carrying over is given. Then, now you can get to see page number 54 and 54 you find the 3-digit number with carrying over. Find the sum. So you can do page number 54 in the book itself. Okay. Now I will be teaching you the addition of 3-digit number without carrying over. Let us do that. Now I will do without carrying over. I am going to rub this question and I will take a number like, for example, 123 and 440, say 5. These are the two numbers and we have to add them without carrying over. So see, let us arrange these numbers. 123 plus 445. Adding. Now, as we have learned in like the previous topic, that is with carrying over, again we have to first add this ones place digit, then tens place digit, and then we move to the hundreds place digit. So let's add in ones place. What are the digits? 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So this 8 we are going to copy under ones place because there is only 1-digit number. Again in tens place, what we have? 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So we are going to add this tens place and we will write 6 here. Again in the hundreds place, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. And so our answer is, sum is what? 568. Isn't it so simple? Yes, it is simple. Only the thing is that here we have like one more place value has been added, included in this 3-digit number. Now you have learned this kind of sum in your previous class by using 2-digit number, right? Now we are learning 3-digit number without carrying over sums. Addition of 3-digit number without carrying over. Before this we have learned addition of 3-digit number with carrying over. Alright. Now the next topic what we are going to learn is we will be learning addition of 3-digit number without carrying over. Three-digit number, like in the previous class, last class we have learned 3 2-digit number with carrying over, right? So we will be learning 3-digit number without carrying over and also with carrying over. Both we will learn. So let us write 3-digit number. 3-digit number, what is the meaning of this? Now here we have 2 numbers. Okay. I will add one more number. Okay. That will be again without carrying over. How? Let's see. Okay. These are the numbers. Say 123. Then let's take 240. And one more number, let us say 400, let's say 413. Okay, so these are the 3 numbers. So again we will arrange these numbers according to their place value. 123, 240, 413. Add. Now we will add these 3 numbers, 3-digit numbers. We first arrange them according to the vertical column, according to their place value. We will arrange them, and then as we have learned, first we will add the ones place digit, then we will add tens place digit, and then we will add hundreds place digit. So let's do that way. In ones place, what are the digits? 3 plus 0 plus 3 is equal to how much? 3 plus 0 is 3. According to the property of addition, when we add any number with 0, the answer or the sum is the number itself. Okay. So 3 plus 0 is 3 plus 3 is 6. So we will write 6 under ones place. Now in the tens place, what are the digits? 2 plus 4 plus 1. How much? It is 7. So we will write 7 under tens place. Now in hundreds place, what are the digits? 1 plus 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. Again here also 7. Okay. So the sum is 776. That is the answer. Okay. So like this question, you will get to see on page number 48. You see on page number 48, you have sums related to 2 3-digit numbers without carrying over, and on page number 50 also you have 2 3-digit number without carrying over. On page number 51 you have 3-digit number without carrying over. Okay, so I am not giving you much work. What you can do is, you can do page number 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 54. That's all. Because 55 I will teach you in the next class. So till page number 54 you can do it in your book. Okay. So whatever example I have done on the board, you please copy down these examples on in your copy, maths copy. And the work which I will assign you for homework, you please do them in the book itself. So I am telling you which are the page numbers which you have to do. So just copy down the homework. Homework is page number 48. Okay, I am just marking from here. Page number 48, 49, 50. Alright. And then 51 also. Then we have 52 also. 51, 52 and 54. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pages are there. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52 and 54. These many pages you have to do in the book. Okay? Do all these pages in your book and make a PDF when you will complete the work and you have to submit in the Google Classroom. That time you will make a PDF of these pages and you can submit it. Okay? So that's all in this video.